Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on these Brawny paper towels, and as you can see up here, I've torn it a little bit, but their 6 rolls which I have here are equal to 12 regular rolls, and it's because these are heavy duty, and it even says here strongest Brawny ever. I've used Brawny paper towels before, but I wanted to test these out. So from here, I like the pick-a-size, and what that basically means is you can either have a full sheet here or you can tear it in half, and now you're only using half the paper towel. And one thing I've kind of learned from Brawny is a half will pick up as much as 1 to 2 of other paper towels, and I think that's why they say the 6 rolls equals 12, right? And definitely happy with these. I've used these quite a bit in the past and decided to try a different style. So definitely looking forward to putting these Brawny paper towels to use.